How can I figure it out? What's up, my loves? Welcome back to the channel. Lonnie here from TrueSpirit Co. Today's videos are going to be super short and quick for you, and I think it's long overdue because it is a question, one of the most asked questions that I get from you guys as a jewelry maker. You often want to know, I don't know my ring size. I would love to try one of your rings, but I don't know my ring size. How can I figure it out? So I figured finally I will just show you guys how super simple it is with just a few tools that you probably already have laying around your house. So if this sounds like something you're interested in learning how to do, then let's get into it. Also, a little side note, keep in mind that when we are cold, our fingers are thinner, and when we are really warm, our fingers expand and get thicker. So ideally, you probably want to try to make sure that your body is at a room temperature when you are sizing your ring. First things first, I'm going to show you guys what you're going to need. We're going to need a pair of scissors. Any scissors should pretty much do. Also, we will need a ruler. If you don't have a physical ruler with you at home, you can actually Google a real life ruler and get an image on Google you guys would see if you needed to do that. You'll need a piece of paper that you'll just want to cut a strip out of that I will be showing you shortly. And you'll want some kind of pen or marker to just mark the place on your hand where you're going to need to know where the paper starts and ends. If you happen to have one of these handy dandy fashion rulers that are soft and flexible like this, you can use one of these, but I know not everyone usually kind of has this on hand. So that's why I'm going to mainly focus on just showing you guys today how to make it work with some things you probably already have in your house. So for the first step, you're going to want to cut a little piece of paper out like so. Next, you're going to want to choose which finger do you want to size for your ring. So in this case, I'm just going to work with my pointer because I like to wear a lot of rings on my pointer finger. And now we're going to just wrap it around the finger, making sure that we're getting a snug fit. You want the fit to be as real to the way you would want the ring to fit as possible. Now you're going to just take note. Where does the beginning of the paper meet with the rest of the paper? And you're going to just mark right there, that point. Once you have that point, if you need to mark it so that it's a little bit darker, you can go on ahead and do that. Then you're going to take your ruler and bring the paper along the inches side and see. So in my case, it's 2 inches. And what I'm actually going to do for you guys is list or show a picture of the chart of how you're going to be able to convert your measurement into your ring size. And it is that simple, my loves. Now you know your ring size, either for a TrueSpirit Co ring or any other ring that you are interested in grabbing for yourself. I really hope this helped you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you feel called, please feel free to check out TrueSpirit Co. Everything will be linked down below, as well as a special little discount for your first order. Even if you have ordered with me before, you can still use this discount. Don't worry, girl, but it is a one-time use only, so please enjoy, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.